Ride out, Malasiki to Baguio. Time check, 3:30 a.m. On the way to Baguio. Kasama natin ang newbie cyclist na si Jonah. Kaway-kaway!
There's something going in the wind tonight. Feel the goosebumps in my Feel the goosebumps in my body when you left. Skin on my skin. Oh God, don't know where you end. I stop. If this is a dream, don't rehab. Before you stop, before the curtains close, can I just ask you if you wanna take me home? I'm away, need something to hold. Can I just ask you if you wanna take me home? Take me home, if you wanna take me home. Think there's something that you're trying to hold inside.
Habang tulay at tanaw na ang arko ng La Union.
Just look into my eyes.
Ayan,
Skin on my skin.
picture tayo dyan. At nang mayroon tayong souvenir.
If this is a dream, don't. Before you stop, before the curtains close, can I just ask you if you wanna take me home? 'Cause I'm away and need something to hold. Can I just ask you if you wanna take me home? Take me
May waterfalls dito sa gitna ng Cannon Road. Magulaan. Ito naman yung dating landslide. Ginawa ng ahon. Nakarating din pagkatapos ng matinding hapon dito sa Layo.
Hello po! Andito po kami ngayon sa Baguio. Binike lang po namin. Yung aming bike.
Nag-uulan. Natin na lang. Dito natin. Tapos kasama natin yung Kasama natin ang bike.
Wow!
Ayan.
Kasama po si Uncle Sis.
Yun. Okay.
Bye-bye!